Struggling with dark spots and uneven skin tone, this homemade face mask brightens your skin and reduces hyperpigmentation naturally. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons potato juice lightens dark spots and even skin tone. 1 tablespoon tomato juice reduces pigmentations and add glow. 1 tablespoon gram flour exfoliates and brightens skin. 1 tablespoon rice flour smooths improve texture. 1 tablespoon honey optional hydrates smooth skin. Mix potato juice, tomato juice, gram flour, rice flour and honey if using in a bowl until smooth. Apply evenly on your face and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Once dry, gently massage with wet hands and rinse with cool water. This fades pigmentation, brightens skin and leave your face fresh and even toned. Try it and share results in comment section. Thanks for watching and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos.